Guess where we're going today? Blazing Bird.
Why did you try to like? What?
What are you gonna get? We're just gonna talk a minute. What's up? Here's the total. Is this?
This one's really good.
Where would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Oh, they have fries. These are bland. I'll give this like a 5.
That shit is ass.
Tastes like school lunch.
For real, I told you.
I'll give it a 2. Honestly, the milkshake that I was supposed to review.
You had it by you this whole time. It's alright.
It doesn't have that Oreo-ness like that. I like the overpowered over Oreo. It's alright. I'll give that like a solid 7.
Honestly, guys, I will never go here again. It's not good. This sandwich is not tasteful at all. It was just straight, like, I don't think they cooked the chicken fully, or didn't season it fully, or marinate it. I don't know what happened to it, but it just does not taste right. Then we have this over here, and I don't know what's wrong with it, or where is the cheese and the macaroni? Like, it's not tasting right.
The macaroni.
Sorry, pasta. Guys, English is not my first language. Sorry. And then we have this. These are actually good, but this sauce is okay. Like Dave's hot chicken sauce, I'll eat that all day, every day. But this sauce, I'll just eat it once. So honestly, I give this whole trip, because I spent $46 just for me not to eat half of this. So I'm kind of mad right now, and I'll give it a solid 4 just because my husband is here. That's the only reason he's getting there 4.
Why are you saying
I love him so much, and I love spending time with him. But other than that, this was bud. Let's see what he says.
Honestly, this place is shit. It isn't like fucking school lunch. Except for the quesadillas. Quesadillas were good. But I don't know, their spice level is different. Like hot felt like hot as fuck.
No, I don't think. For me, this wasn't hot. I feel like this was like hot, but the bad type of hot. This was the bad type of hot.
I mean, it was
like,
no spicy.
You know how something, like there's no spiciness, but it's so nasty in your mouth.
It's
like,
school lunch.
Yeah, like there's like spice to, no, like sometimes McDonald's be making this. I like my spicy chicken, but sometimes they make it so butt, especially when it's like late, you know? And they make it like old.
But what is it? I'd rather do Dave's. I wish Dave's did quesadillas though. That would be good.
That would be so good. This
Maybe one day we can do our own. Like order Dave's hot chicken tenders, chop it up, and put it in the quesadilla.
No, I like your thinking.
And then the macaroni. It's not like macaroni. It's not like cheesy. I love cheesy macaroni. That tasted like school lunch. Like they just plopped on cheese, like a little bit, and just said, "There you go, put on sauce." So, and then the Oreo, I don't fucking know. That made me depressed.
No, for real. We drank it all because of how hot. Oh.
See me.
How hot the burger was. I don't know. I didn't like it. I did not. I just liked it at the moment. That's why I was like, I can't.
It seemed like you liked it a lot.
Because I was hungry. I haven't ate all day.
Just like two or three. That shit was ass.
For real.
And it's crazy how many people come here.
Like for real.
They probably get something else. I really want to try their. Next, I want to try the burgers. They have burgers.
Hell no. This is the burger.
That's a chicken sandwich.
Oh.
Yeah, so next time we're gonna try when we come here to Smash Burger, and they have bone-in wings. So let's try that.
All right.
And then they also have like lemonades and stuff, and we'll try that next time.
All right. And there's this little pepper to tell you how hot it is, even though that pepper, unrealistic pepper.